friends, and welcome back to my channel. So I am here in my living room just sitting on the floor. I just thought it would be easier. I wanted to share with you guys a Dollar Tree haul I did today while my kids were at PE. I picked up a lot of new things, not any makeup items that I remember, but mostly like home decor, things like that. And I thought I would sit on the floor here with my table in here because it is a lot and I don't have the space on my table where I normally film. So I thought I would just sit here on the floor and do that for you guys today. So I hope that you enjoy. I have all the bags behind me, as you can see. So let's just go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I found was this cute rug right here. It says Happy Easter. And of course, they're not the best quality. They only last for a short time. You cannot put them in the washer because they'll probably break down and all of that. But I just bought this for either the back door or the front door just because I thought it was really cute, and they only had one. I would have gotten more, but they did have just the one. This cute sign, it says Home Sweet Home, and it looks like that. I thought that would be really cute to hang up by some photos that we have. Birthday cards that I'm going to just put over here to the side as well. I picked up both my husband and myself. I don't know where the other one is, but I picked up these car air fresheners. They're the ones that hang. I got this one here. It's a 3-pack, which is a really good deal, in my opinion. I got Midnight Cool and one in New Car, and I usually like the New Car. Oh, here it is. This is the New Car, and like I said, it's 3 to a pack, and I think that's a really good deal. I've used these over and over, and they're not the strongest, but they are really good for what you get. So I got one for my husband and one for myself, and I'll let him pick which scent he wants. I did find these at the Dollar Tree, and I picked up extra because I think I'm going to try to sell some of these. My husband was talking about wanting to start getting into selling different things like on eBay and stuff like that. So I found these Polaroid tempered glass screen protectors, and they look like that. And this one I got, where's it at? I got one in the iPhone 6, 6S, 7, and 8 because I know somebody that has a 6S, and I got that for them. But I got 5 of the ones that are for iPhone 7 and 8 Plus. And I know a lot of people are upgrading their phones and everything, but some people do have the 8s. That was my favorite phone. I wish I still had it. But yeah, for $1, you cannot beat this. I got my kids another pack of the Top Ramen. This time I got them beef. They love these. They eat them so much. And then I found this cute little, it's like a plantain, like for flowers and stuff. I thought it was really cute. I'm going to put this outside. I have this wooden thing my husband made me last summer for with my address. I'm going to put some flowers that I'll show you. I like to do fake flowers, do arrangements to put out different times of the year. And so I'm going to do a spring and summer one in here, and I think this will fit in there perfectly. And for $1, you cannot beat that. These are 2 packs of Easter or spring gift bags. I got my kids some goodies, so I thought that would be cute to put them in for them. I found this little welcome sign here. I thought it was really cute with the bunnies and their little tails. I found this one as well, Happy Easter, right there. It just was super cute. Typically, I don't like to do a lot of bunnies for Easter. I like to kind of mix it with bunnies and like crosses and, you know, things like that. But I just thought it was super cute, so I thought, why not just add that to the decor. These are for me and my husband. These are the Placards High Performance teeth cleaners. Comes with 60, which is a great value in the mint flavor. I got one for me and my husband, and then one for him for his car. He likes to keep those in his car. And then I found this. This is the Reach Essentials Instant Whitening Pen. I got my husband and myself one. I thought this was a great find at the Dollar Tree. I picked up 2 bags of these. These are the Easter eggs, but they are 10 pieces, and they're the glittery ones. I just thought that would be cute. I have a kind kind of like a short clear glass. I thought that would be cute to fill these and that. Picked up some of these Glade 10-pack gallon storage zipper bags. Anytime I find the Glade at Dollar Tree, I think it's a great buy, so I always pick that up. I also picked up these. These are not Glade. They didn't have the Glade in this side. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. But this is the Surefresh, which is probably the Dollar Tree brand. 20 bags of the storage in the quart size right there. I've used these before. They are not bad for the price that you get. They do the job. I picked up my daughter and my son a body sponge. They asked for new ones. And this one feels like really, really good quality. And they had this. This is from the brand Bathory, and this is from the April Bath and Shower. Obviously, you can see a difference. They both feel nice, but this one feels so nice. I think this one's going to probably hold up a lot better than this one. And look how cute the little hanging thing is. They had this in the pretty purple right here and a pink. And I should have got my son the pink. He wouldn't have cared, but I didn't know if he would care. You know, some boys are like that. But he told me he wouldn't have cared. So I should have got him this one and the pink one. And then, but anyways, I got those for them. I saw these cute little Wonder Woman Band-Aids, 22 a pack. I picked these up for my kids. My son loves Wonder Woman, and so I thought it would just be a cute little fun thing to have, so when he gets a cut or something, he has some fun Band-Aids. I did see these. These are the Bloom Where You Are Planted, and you get 2 to a pack, so 50 cents each is such a great deal of these pot holders. I just thought they were really cute. I think for summer, they're going to be really nice, and they match my living room decor. I have navy blue and this teal blue and yellow in my living room, and I think that's going to be really cute for the summertime. And I did get the matching mitten, I guess you call it. Mine are really old, so I need to get rid of them, but these were super cute, and I just picked those up. There's that. So I picked up 2 of these. These are dripping blossoms in the yellow, and I can cut them to make it work and all of that. I picked up 2 of those. I thought those were just really pretty and would just be a pop of color. I picked up 2 of these. They're just a bouquet. It has, I'm not sure what type of flower this is, but it has this little green and yellow on the side. I thought was really cute. And then it has a little butterfly. I thought that would be super cute for outside. And I also got them in the purple, no, not that one. Oh, that has a butterfly too. I didn't even notice. Oh yeah, these are them. These are like a bluish purple, same thing, but in that color. And then instead this one, oh no, it has the same. Never mind. So I picked up 2 of those. I picked up extras because, like I said, I'm going to do one in the house and one outside. And then these are plumerias. I love plumerias. Look how pretty. They had the plumerias in all kinds of colors, yellow and all that. But I just wanted to do a variety so I didn't have all of the same. 2 of these, I haven't seen these size at the Dollar Tree, but these are like for your pets, treats and stuff. And we're always getting them bones and treats that can't fit in the little one we have. So I picked up 2 of these so we can put like their bigger treats in them. I think for $1 you cannot beat it. And this one is super cute. It says house is not a home without paw prints, and I agree. Although sometimes I don't like the mess of it, but I do agree with that. See this skin item. I didn't need it, but I just wanted to try it so I can tell you guys if it is any good. This is the Bellario Firming Milk Serum, Hyaluronic Acid, and Squalene, a concentrated mix of skin plumping ingredients to help enhance complexion for all skin types. That is what it looks like. It looks really promising, you guys, so I just picked that up. I want to give it a try. It is a 1 fluid ounce. I picked up, my husband and kids said they needed body wash, so I picked up 2 of them White Rain Men ones in Max Energy and Sport. They're both 15 fluid ounces. I thought they can, I don't know that I've ever bought them these for my husband and son. I thought they can give these a try, see what they think about them. This is for my daughter. She's tried this many times. She does enjoy it. This is the White Rain Lavender Escape Body Wash, again in a 15 fluid ounce. This is the mousse I told you my daughter loves. Her hair looks so good with this. It's the Salon Selectives from the Dollar Tree brand. This is the Plumping Mousse All Day Anti-Frizz Weightless Control Curl Defining with Extra Hold. I will say that this is a awesome mousse. My daughter has really curly hair. I wouldn't say it's kinky curly, but it's really tight curls, and her hair looks so good with this. Her hair is not crunchy. It doesn't get hard or anything like that. She could still run her fingers through it if she wants to and all of that, but it just makes them look so nice, so defined, so put together. But she does, I will say, these are 4 fluid ounces, and she does go through them fairly quickly. So this time she asked me to pick up 2. That's the only downside. I wish they came in bigger sizes. They do not, but she does love it. And I love the way her hair looks with it, so I went ahead and picked those up for her. To keep in my vehicle, the Clorox Sentivia Coconut and Pacific Breeze wipes, Clorox wipes. There's 13 to a pack. I thought I'd give those a try. And I needed softener, and I don't know that I've ever tried this. I can't recall. But I just figured since I was already there, I didn't want to go to another store. I just picked this up. This is the Totally Awesome Fresh Scent Fabric Softener 32 loads. It is a 64 fluid ounce for $1. I did smell it. It does not smell bad at all. Honestly, it smells just like Downy, the original Downy. So I'm going to give it a try, see if it's any good. I would definitely let you guys know if it is, because for $1, you cannot beat that. Another one of my ladies feminine wash right there from the Igshid brand. You guys know I constantly buy that. And I picked up these mini tweezers. It's a 3-piece. It has a pointed tip, slanted tip, and a flat edge. My husband's always using my tweezers, so they've gotten pretty dull. So I just thought I would give these a try. He does have a bigger pair that I bought him from the Dollar Tree, and he really does like them a lot. So I thought we'll give those a try, see if they're any good. And then I found these. I bought 2 of them. It's from the brand Bath and Beauty instead of Bath and Body. These are makeup brush cleaners, rinse-free formula, quick drying. It's a 5 fluid ounce. It says makes brushes cleaner and more sterile with Bath and Beauty makeup brush cleaner. I picked up 2 just in case I enjoy them, because you know, with sprays like this they can go fairly quickly, so I thought I would give it a try, and I picked up 2 of those. They got all kinds of new dishes, and I just thought these were so cute, so I picked them up. I picked up 4 of these cups. These have been around for some time. I have showed you guys these in pictures and things like that on my Instagram. But they were in a different shape, I believe. They may have been this shape as well, but they're just really cute. This is what my colors in my home are, the teal, the yellow. It has a cute bike, so I picked up 4 of these. Then I picked up 4 of the bowls that they had. They look like this. Look how cute. A good size cereal bowl, and it has that little detail on the side. They are in the teal, which my kitchen is in. I got 4 of those, and then the plates look like this. The plates look like this. Just really pretty. And it's from the brand Royal Norfolk. If I can find how much these actually go for, I will put it on the screen for you guys. They're so pretty. They also had the salad plates as well, but I just thought that was too much blue. So I already have some white plates that I bought at IKEA many years ago. So what I'm gonna do is once Easter's over and I change my table setting for summer, I'm going to just add one of those white salad plates to this. But I thought that was a great find. I could not pass it up. So definitely check your Dollar Tree for dishes, you guys. You cannot beat getting dishes there. It's such a great deal. I also seen that they had a real pretty green and a really pretty orange. The orange was probably like my shirt. orange, maybe just a tad deeper, but not too deep, just really pretty. They didn't have any yellow, which I thought would have been awesome, but they did not. But definitely check them out. They have so many different ones. And then the last thing I got, this was by the Easter stuff. This was like for little Easter baskets and stuff. This is a makeup blender sponge. And I thought I would give that a try just to tell you guys if it is any good or not, if it's worth picking up. They also had it in purple, but I just picked up this one because I don't believe I have a teal one as of yet. So that is everything that I picked up in my recent Dollar Tree haul. Definitely check out your Dollar Tree, see if you can find any of these goodies. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this Dollar Tree haul, or you do enjoy Dollar Tree and Dollar Tree hauls, definitely please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really, really appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed and you'd love to see more Dollar Tree hauls from me, or Dollar Tree finds from me, definitely hit that subscribe button. Don't forget my Instagram is always linked down below, and I do post pictures on there of products that I find that are noteworthy and that are recommendations. So definitely check me out on there as well. Thank you guys again, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.